Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. We are talking about Maya Ali and Shahryar Munawar in this video. Here comes another update for Maya Ali fans. Maya Ali has recently shared her latest photoshoot pictures on her Instagram, in which she has been seen with her real life friend and co-star Shahryar Munawar. Shahryar and Maya Ali look amazing in the latest photoshoot that they did for Faiza Saklan. Wearing an elegant sherwani, Shahryar looks absolutely hot, while Maya looks all fabulous in the long bridal maxi, which is indeed one of its kind. Here are the latest clicks from their photoshoot Yareman. Have a look.